Before it melts into your tea, before it sweetens your favorite dessert, this tiny crystal has already traveled thousands of miles. Its journey begins under a blazing tropical sun, endless green fields of sugarcane. Nearly a year, these towering stalks grow taller and stronger, absorbing sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil. Inside each stem, nature quietly stores energy in the form of sugar. When the crop matures, the harvest begins. In some fields, skilled farmers cut the cane by hand, swift, precise movements under intense heat. Elsewhere, powerful harvesting machines move through the rows, cutting, stripping, and loading tons of cane within minutes. Freshly cut sugarcane must reach the factory quickly. Time matters because sweetness can fade. Heavy trucks carry the harvest toward massive industrial factory gates. Each truck is weighed and inspected. Transformation from plant to crystal is about to begin. Rotating steel knives slice the cane into small pieces. Every fiber is exposed, preparing it for extraction. Massive rollers press down with enormous force. Again and again, the shredded cane is crushed. Rich green juice flows out, the heart of sweetness. What remains is dry fiber called bagasse, but nothing goes to waste. It is burned as fuel, powering the factory itself. The extracted juice is cloudy and impure. Lime is added. Heat rises. Impurities separate and are carefully removed. Slowly, the liquid turns clear and golden. Inside giant evaporators, water is removed under controlled heat. The liquid thickens, it darkens, it becomes syrup. Now, inside vacuum pans, tiny seed crystals are introduced. Sugar molecules gather around. Crystals begin to grow, slowly and precisely. This is where sugar is born. The crystal-filled mixture spins at high speed in centrifuges. Molasses is pushed outward. Brilliant white crystals remain behind. Hot air removes remaining moisture. Cooling systems prevent clumping. Each grain becomes dry, pure, and sparkling. Automated machines measure, fill, and seal each packet with precision. Quality checks ensure purity and perfection. From tropical fields to roaring factories to the spoon in your hand, sugar may look simple, but behind every grain lies science, engineering, and time. The next time it dissolves into your tea, remember the journey it has traveled.